How to reduce unwanted noise like keyboard clicks and other background noises from your microphone in OBS Studio. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can achieve these settings. So once you are inside your OBS Studio, you can notice here is your microphone interface right here. So within this interface, what you're gonna need to do is simply right click over here and from here choose filters. Now filters enable and allow you to apply these particular formats using which the noise gets reduced. So let me show you how you can do this. So for that, click onto this plus icon here, and from here choose the noise suppression. Once you click onto this noise suppression, you can also name it anything else as per your requirement, and then you can click onto this OK button. Now from here you can see the current method is RNNoise, that is good quality, more CPU usage. If you think this is messing up with your video recording or microphone usage, you can also choose speeds, that is low CPU usage and low quality as well. So apart from that, you can also choose the suppression level, like the amount of suppression that you would like. I won't suggest is that you choose it too high. So maybe around 12 or 13 decibels would work fine, and then you can simply close this by applying this particular filter whenever you feel like that there is a lot of background noise. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.